Hi guys, it's Vicky. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my package from MeUndies today. They're not paying me to do this or anything, but if you use my invite link to get yourself something from the website, you can get 20% off, and I get store credits, so maybe I can get some more MeUndies if I like these. I really wanted to do a review on this company because, they're like a pretty reputable company, very famous for their soft fabrics and comfortable garments. So, yeah, I just wanted to see if all the hype is warranted, if they're as good as people say they are. And I was on the hunt for a new bra, y'all. I don't like wearing bras, so what I was searching for on the internet was the most comfortable bralette possible. And I came upon a bralette on MeUndies.com called the Triangle Feel Free bralette, designed to feel like you're wearing nothing, which is exactly what I want because I don't actually like wearing bras. But, some of my clothing can be clingy or too see-through, so it's nice to have something to wear underneath anyway, even if I don't wanna. So, let's open this up. The packaging's very cute. I'm gonna show you the other side, don't worry. I actually remembered to block out my address this time. I'm sure it says their address or something underneath this sticker. It's really cute packaging. It says, "Please be a person and recycle this bag." And I like that they're trying to guilt trip people into recycling. I think that's a good thing to do. Even though I have no idea, I might just reuse the bag, which is also kind of a form of recycling, I guess. Anyway, let's open this up. I'm excited and I'm nervous because listen, I have kind of a flat chest, not gonna lie, and I had to order a large, so I'm nervous. Is a size large bra gonna properly fit me? Question mark? Well, we're about to find out, guys. I used their sizing chart to select my size. What, these? This is really cute. Okay. Oh, by the way, I got the monthly subscription, which saves you a lot of money. It saves you $8 on the bralette. So I guess that's why they sent me, I don't know. I don't know if this is because I have the subscription or if they're even if you don't have the subscription, sign up for the subscription, but you can cancel it at any time, change what's in it, whatever you want to do. So I went ahead and signed up for the subscription, even though I'm not sure if I'm actually going to keep it at all. If I have the money and I like their products, I will. But if I end up being broke or don't, really like this, then I will just cancel the subscription. So I got pink, of course. I wanted something kind of neutral, that could kind of match anything, but also pink is my favorite color ever. So let's open it up. Ah, I love this. Okay, this one also has a recycling reminder. Care for our planet, repair, reuse, reuse, recycle. Very cute. So this color is the pink coral. They have a lot of different prints, actually. Not just this one. So let me open it up. I think I'm going to use the scissors because I don't feel like ripping it. I'm going to very carefully use the scissors. I'm always afraid I'm going to cut something. That was close. I was kind of cutting it close. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it is soft though. Okay, it's extremely soft. Wow, hello. There's a speck. Okay, it was just a piece of lint. False alarm. Okay. Oh, Oh, okay, that looks like I can probably maybe fit in there. I don't know, it might be a little small actually. I'm scared it's not gonna fit. But it is really soft and it is really cute. And all of the triangle bralettes, no matter what color, have black straps, which is an interesting thing to note. Kind of weird that all the straps are black, no matter what color you get. And I'm glad the straps are adjustable. That is like a super important feature. You got 3 different clasps on here, so if you're feeling a little bloated one day, you can make it a little bigger. It's very stretchy and feels very soft. This is the size large. When I saw it, I was like, is this the large? Did they send me the wrong size? Oh my god. Okay. Well, it looks absolutely beautiful. So now I'm going to go try it on and give you guys my review of, did it fit? Is it comfortable? We will see. Oh, hello. I'm back. I'm wearing the bralette. I feel like I'm wearing a bra. So it doesn't feel like nothing. It's actually a little snug. I think I need to size up to the extra large. I'm a little bit surprised by that. And the straps are a little too, I don't know, I kind of wish the straps could be loosened even more. They're a little tight still, and I loosened them all the way. So, my measurements, the largest part of my bust is 38, and the smallest part is 34. And that falls in the large category. Extra large would be considered a little big on me, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna try the extra large next time because it's just a little snug around and on the straps, and I fill it out nicely. So I'm gonna give the bra, I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10 because I have to size up. Other than that, though, I would say it's a great bra. Alright, that was my official review. If you want to try out their products, make sure you use my link so I get free store credit and you get 20% off. Until next time, guys, peace, love, unity, and respect.